A few moments later.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Hi guys, so today I will be going to my friend's house. We're gonna have a nice little bonfire night tonight. I will be bringing you guys along with me to watch fireworks. How cute is that? It's been a long ass morning because I came back from clubbing last night at 4 a.m. I'm pretty knackered, but yes, I'm gonna go get ready now, get changed, and go meet up with my friends. Ah!
Hey, leave me alone. Well, aliens.
I can't escape the camera. All away.
You're not gonna say anything?
Bulldog House with Cameron Sin.
It's time for fireworks. Oh, it's cold. I need to get my shoes.
Move them hips, boy.
Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait.
Hey. Love you.
Oh, who's that for?
He's trying to lips.
Hey, below.
Hey, Andy.
What's this for?
Just a vlog, a bonfire night with the gang. Oh my guys. Oh my god, it's recording. Show it up. Go. Oh my god. Bro, you can't be that close to it. Bro, what the? Is that it?
Oh my god! Wow!
So far the fireworks has been very anticlimactic, I must say. Saving the best till last. Oh my god! Why is he running? Why is he running?
No, you're good, you're good.
Oi!
Is that on fire?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Oh my god! The firework display just finished, but it wasn't enough for us, so we sent a couple of our friends to go out and buy more because we want bigger displays, and hopefully it'll be good. Because the ones that we just got was they just sparks from the floor, no fireworks that actually shot up in the sky. So hopefully we get the big boxes, and they're like 200 quid, but everyone's shipping in, so that's fine. So hopefully the second round will be better than the first. The boys are finally back with the big box of fireworks. Oh, can't wait. Oh. What are you guys doing? What are you guys
Everyone
doing?
knows that was in 100. It's meant to be. Oh, hell no.
But Keanu did it.
Motion.
It's the motion.
Can we get the wand?
It's the motion.
Can we get the wand?
I wish you like we could.
Yo! Will we die tonight? I don't know. One way to find out.
Lau, you gonna shoot?
Yeah, we need to be further away, I can't lie.
Take that out and then just...
Meet Emily, guys. Bro, why does this look like a cult? Asian, that's why.
I'm excited.
You're excited, darling.
What's the safety rules, bro? We don't need some safety rules, bro.
Run, 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 run. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So far, it's been way better. Oh my god. Way better than the first round.
Are you sure about that?
Run, Cameron, run! My god! Oh my god! We've got the big box ready, guys.
Oh, Davey's doing it. Everyone get back. Everyone get back.
Get back, run, 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 run!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Alright, everyone stay here. We got a surprise.
Oh god! No! Oh my!
It's called the Punisher.
Wait,
It's good.
how much was that?
Wait, can you make it like more?
I can't lie, I thought I was gonna die. Me too. No, the other one I thought I was gonna die.
Wait, should I do?
No, bro, I can't lie, we almost died. We actually almost died. There's like gunpowder bits.
That was a video of it.
We got reason here.
Every time we die together.
Davey running off.
At least something interesting happened tonight. Two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I can't be your love.
Make a wish, bro.
The kiss to treat your fortune. Oh